Hola, are you spending too much time clicking around in Shopify? If you're anything like me, I know that you are, because when I first started, that's all I felt like I was doing, clicking, clicking, clicking. But there is a way to speed up your workflow and get more done, I promise, without lifting your hands off your keyboard. So here are my most used shortcut keys within Shopify that will save you time in managing your store. So let's jump right in. When you're running your small business, time is money, and the less time you spend navigating Shopify, the more time you have to grow your store, because we all know that Shopify is constantly changing things up for the better, right? Because they're always improving the platform. But in that, things get moved around and we do not know where the heck it went, right? So trust me, once you start using these shortcut keys, you will not go back. And talking about Shopify moving things around, the first shortcut key that I want to show you right off the gate is the S. And that is your search shortcut key, so that you're able to search for whatever it is that you're looking for instantly, right? Isn't that cool? Awesome. So these shortcut keys will help you jump into important sections. So let me give you some of my most used shortcut keys. The search is the first one. All right. Now the second one, before I mentioned, I almost forgot, these shortcut keys, you have to type these in within a second of each other. So you have to be quick with your fingers or they won't work. Okay. All right. So the second one is going to be in Windows, GO. So that takes you straight to your orders. Okay. The third one would be GPO to jump to your purchase orders. All right. And then the next one, fourth, will be your GA to access your analytics, because that is something that you as a business owner always want to keep on top of, right? Your analytics. And the last two shortcut keys are actually inside of the customizer. So I don't know if you knew that, but yes, they are shortcut keys for the customizer as well. So let's head over to our customizer. And then here, my number 6 shortcut key is Control-Shift-O to expand all of my sections. And then number 7 is collapse all sections, which is Control-Shift-P. So those are the two that I use here the most. And if you want to see all of the shortcut keys that are available to you in the theme editor, then click on Control/. And these are the shortcut keys that are available to you while you're using the theme editor. Now let's head back to our Shopify dashboard and click on the question mark. And there you have it, all of the shortcut keys that are available for you here in your dashboard. Pretty cool, right? Let me know in the comments below which one you'll be using the most, and start using these today. And I promise you'll never go back to that slow way of doing things. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you want to design a Shopify store that you are proud to show off, please consider joining my email list, where I send out once a week an email with tips, tricks, and exclusive resources for you to do just that. So until next time, my friend, adios.